In flexible hose welding, every millimeter matters. Every arc, every rotation, every parameter. Because in industries like semiconductor fabrication, aerospace engineering, pharmaceuticals, and defense, failure is not an option. Consistency is everything. Traceability is mandatory. Quality is non-negotiable. And that's exactly why the Mini Flexi Hose Welder 2 was built. Designed specifically for stainless steel flexible and corrugated hoses, this compact automation system handles diameters from 5 mm to 101 mm with absolute control. At its core lies advanced TIG Fusion Welding, combined with integrated wire feed technology, delivering stronger joints, cleaner seams, superior structural integrity, and precision connector welding in a single automated system. Fully automatic control of height, diameter, and offset eliminates manual variability. The result? Repeatable perfection. The inbuilt auto-purging system ensures minimal discoloration, meeting stringent AWS quality standards and maintaining the internal purity critical for high-performance applications. Cap-end welding completed in just 1 minute, up to 90 hoses in a single 8-hour shift, and with up to 70% reduction in shielding gas consumption, efficiency is no longer a trade-off, it's standard. But the Mini Flexi Hose Welder 2 doesn't stop at performance. It thinks. With integrated IIOT capability, cloud-based monitoring, and real-time weld data logging, every weld is measured, recorded, and traceable. Through weld process sheet customization, operators can store and recall parameters for different diameters and jobs, ensuring seamless transitions between production batches and full audit readiness. Closed-loop weld control and advanced outer diameter monitoring provide unmatched precision, with repeatability up to plus or minus 0.2 mm. A heavy-duty 50 kg load capacity. A robust rotary system, smooth motion up to 10 RPM, all engineered into a compact footprint consuming less than 400 watts of power. CE certified, RoHS compliant, IP67 rated, built for demanding environments, built for the future of automation. This is more than a welding machine. It is a complete automation solution, empowering manufacturers to increase productivity, reduce costs, maintain compliance, and deliver consistent excellence. Mini Flexi Hose Welder 2. Compact in size, powerful in performance, uncompromising in precision. The future of flexible hose welding starts here.